Alright guys, today we're gonna make pizza. There you go, all purpose flour. Now we're just gonna use 2 scoops of homemade yogurt. That's for protein. There we go, 2 scoops or yeah. Now I'm just gonna use a little bit of water. Alright, there you go. Alright, now I'm just gonna prep the flour. There we go. Now go ahead and use olive oil. Spray them. Use flour and try to spread them evenly if you can. There you go. Use gloves if you have it, but I'm just gonna use my fingers. Now we are gonna use those cheese. Okay, there you go. Repeat the process to make the crust. Now we are going to use tomato sauce. There you go. Spread them evenly if you can to cover the whole area. I'm gonna use cilantro. There's some cheese. That's protein cheese. Alright. So I'm gonna use cilantro right there and onion seasoning and stuff like that. Now go ahead and set your oven to 280 or 300. That's what I did. Alright, voila, that's the final result. There we go. First time making homemade pizza. That's protein pizza. There you go.